Hey, good day everybody. Bob Trade Genius, 25th of November. I'm going to show you a couple uranium charts and the reason why I like them and the reason why they'll make you a lot of money as time goes forward from a macro and from a trading perspective. Before I do that though, I just want to show, I got a lot of questions from people, especially new subscribers, what I follow as like my main list. And here's the make it a little bigger for you guys so you can screenshot it here. This is what I follow mostly, and then it's not my exhaustive list, but if I see anything moving here, I'll look at some of the other names in this sector. But you know, I follow Barrick Gold, First Majestic. This is a micro cap cobalt stock, the only pure play that I know is out there. The only downside is that you can see Black Friday I traded 300 shares, but when it moves, money comes into the stock. So, but anyway, I watch it. Cameco, we have FCX, we have the yen. Okay, we have the lithium ETF. This is a nickel play, a Russian company. It's doing actually pretty well. Pan American Silver. Here's the short on SPY. Here's SPY itself. Okay, here's the 20-year Treasury bond fund. Okay, UEC, Uranium Company. URA is the Uranium ETF, and URG. And I also follow a couple other names in the uranium space here to look for some small caps to hit some lotteries with. But this is my main thing. I call it the future because I think these things will transcend some of the economic issues unless we go into a total worldwide collapse, and then everything's kind of a moot point, is it not? Except for SH and TLT and FXY. So we kind of got the bases covered, and that's what we're following, and this is what I'll be signaling out from for the most part. And I have some other small cap names that I'll be doing as well. So let me go to the charts here, and so we have first one is UEC, Uranium Company. Okay, I trade on the 4-hour double bottom. We're in the trade right now, and so my next look, it's still underneath it's 200 and 100 moving averages, so it's still in a linear downtrend. But I think it bottomed here, nice double bottom. You know, get in now, and I'm looking for a spike, you know, back up to this area here, and then once it gets over 154, then there's some clear air for this thing to move higher. We step back, you know, got pushed down pretty hard, so I think we're buying it at a pretty good price, and so we'll just wait and see what it does. But I think it's going to try to push back at least to here, and I'll take profit on it likely, and then let it set up again. And the other one I'm watching on from a small cap standpoint is DNN. Okay, it's bouncing on its moving average, and so here it doesn't look so hot, but then if you go out to the daily and take a bigger look at this thing, it's sitting right on some really good support here, and there's a volume area here. So I'm looking to watch to see if it gets down to 50 or 50 and a half here, and I'll probably take a shot at it to see if we can get a push higher to some beautiful ramps they do. And I mean, look, from 50 cents to 70 cents, you know, you're talking a 40% move in what, 2-3 weeks. And that's why you buy these things, you catch them down here, you may sit on them for a couple weeks or a month, and next thing you know, you get a 40% move on them. And I'm expecting the same thing with all these micro caps in a space that prices are firming up. So, and then obviously the Mac Daddy here is CCJ. Okay, it's looking constructive. Been pretty volatile. This gap up here was a tax thing, went back and tried to fill it, couldn't fill it, which is bullish. Shot up to the top of the channel here. Okay, people took profit, but then it held at the midline of the channel. So I'm looking for the next buy signal to get back in, and see if we can get this thing to push any higher. You know, zooming back on it, you know, it's looking pretty decent. And here's the next resistance area here, 1328, and that would be an area of interest to me if it pushes through. That would be 3 deviations from where it is today, but that'd be a nice trade. So anyway, that's the uranium side. And you know, if you're interested in what we do, is we work strictly from our algorithms. You know, we have momentum, we have reversals, and so what we're we're all about is taking the emotion out and try to catch things that are moving, and try to catch them when they're at the bottom end of the range, and when momentum and reversal signals are saying good risk reward. We're running specials until Monday night, Cyber Monday, so you can still grab them. And anybody that joined us over the last couple days, welcome, and make sure that you get your TradingView username into us if you're getting this, if you bought the signals package, and that we can go ahead and give you access to these signals, and also if you purchase any personal consulting, get to us as well, so that we can get you scheduled and get you rolling here. Anyway, thank you very much, and you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.